This is how we filmed this particular version of Embrace the Journey. Cameras everywhere, lights everywhere, and Karen, the top cook. Welcome to another adventure of Embrace the Journey, and we're on the famous Karen cooking episode. Karen will be cooking, what are you cooking, hon?
I'm cooking peanut butter cup stuffed brownies. And if you Google it, peanut butter cup stuffed brownies, it'll be about the 5th one down, and it'll be by Tasty. So a bunch of you have maybe seen Tasty recipes. I've never made this before, but we're going to give it a try. We have people coming over tomorrow, and I thought I'd like to try new desserts. So, of course, we'll have to sample it later to make sure it's good enough for them. But it does call for, it makes 12 to put them in a regular-sized muffin pan. So there's 12 regular-sized peanut butter cups, and they are ready to go. Next, I'm going to spray my muffin pan with Pam. Okay, I'm going to spray it. I do it over the sink because I don't want it to get everywhere. Okay, first we're going to make the brownie mix according to the package directions. The directions call for a 10-ounce bag of brownie mix. This one's a little bigger, so we're going to have extra brownies. So we're going to make the brownie mix now. Calls for 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons water, and 2/3 cup vegetable oil.
The old egg trick, huh?
Yep.
Because you gotta have eggs.
Gotta have eggs.
And these are very expensive eggs.
Not really.
They come from very expensive chickens.
Not really. 2/3. It's 1/3. 2/3.
3 tablespoons of water.
Okay, you're not going to mix this up very long, so you could do it by hand if you want.
Is it ready to eat?
No. Okay, I bought the pre-made cookie dough, Toll House. Never bought these before. I always make my cookies from scratch. But we'll see. Looks convenient. Kind of let them out at room temperature. There's 12 of them in there. I'm going to get a knife. I'm going to put one in each one. Doesn't look like there's much room for a lot of stuff. So we're going to spread this out. Flatten it out. course, it's at room temperature. I did have it lay on top of the stove, kind of soften it up a little bit. Makes it easier to spread. Then my assistant will get me the peanut butter cups. Then we're going to put the peanut butter cups in there, upside down. Going to kind of push them in there. And we're going to, when we get done with this, we're going to fill this up with the brownie mix. And the recipe says to 90% full. Here's the brownie mix. I like using a scoop. I have a lot of different sizes of scoops, so this is a number 40 scoop. So we'll see what happens. We'll put one scoop on there. On each one, we'll spread it out, and then we'll probably add a little more. Well, it looks good. Got your oven at 350. Okay, we'll see. Okay, let's see. I think that looks 90% full. What do you think?
It looks beautiful.
Beautiful.
Next step is?
Next step is the oven. All right, we've got the timer set for 18 minutes. It's 18 to 20 minutes until the brownie batter is cooked. So here we go. All right, it's been 18 minutes. We're gonna pull it out. Well, we're gonna put the toothpick in and check it first. I think it's done. Take it over here. Let it cool at least 10 minutes. Don't know how well they're going to come out. I might try cupcake liners next time, even though it didn't say to.
They sure smell good. I can smell them from here. Delicious. They're really good when they're warm. And I was just thinking you could put a dollop of ice cream on top of it, and the ice cream would melt through it, or a dollop of whipped cream on top of them. Oh my gosh. Yep, this is a stomach expander.
They're not quite done in the middle though. I'd recommend 20 minutes. I did 18. You just never know. Sometimes they cook more right up, in the pan. Oops.
This is a good one, folks. Karen has done it again. I hope as you're watching this, your mouth is watering, because mine is, and I even ate half one already. But I'll probably eat some more. Well, I know I will. What about you, hon?
Oh, no. I can see my tummy expanding as we speak.
So the next you'll see is our guests tomorrow, Jerome and Susan. They've often taste tested a number of things for us in our videos, and we'll throw them on here and see what they think. Until then, we'll see you in a second. This is Jerome and Susan. They are our favorite taste testers. You've seen them on the channel before. Jerome has done root beer floats. Susan, what did we eat? We ate something. It was good, whatever it was.
It was sweet, I'm sure.
So now we're eating these lovely things here. So guys, dig in and give us your opinion.
All right.
Well, what's the word?
2 thumbs up at least.
2 thumbs up.
How many for you?
Oh, here, we need a napkin.
Okay.
That's a total of 4 thumbs up.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
And that's the end of this video.